What's up, guys? My name is Sean, and welcome to my channel, Mindful Investing. Uh, in this video, I want to talk about why there is a good chance for Tesla to reach $600 by end of Jan. This is my wild prediction, guys. Don't go for it, but I have good reasons, right? And if you are investor in Tesla, please hold on to your stock. And if you are a trader, I think there is still a good chance, you'll make more money for your trades. All right. Uh, Tesla earning is at the end of Jan, between Jan 28th to 5th, 3rd. So there will be a lot of momentum will be built by then, because there are like a lot of positive news coming up, and I want to share, give you some details about that. And you can see, Tesla is around $500 back in Jan 8, and it has come down a little bit, and it is hanging in there. So I think it'll go up from this point, right? And as you all know, Tesla is heavily shorted stock. I think it is still around $20, 20% shorted of the float. And with the recent data itself, the float is the percentage of short percentage of float is still 19%. That's still a lot of short, guys. I think there are like still a lot of shorts are yet to cover the stock. So I think it might be an opportunity for them to cover their short by end of January. If not all, I think half of the shorts will cover their shorts. The reason is, of course, we have earning by end of Jan, and I think there is a good chance they'll report a profit with a lot of big numbers. They already delivered a lot of vehicles. They already reported the vehicle delivery number early this Jan. I think shorts knows that, and they are forced to cover it, right? And as you know, for last quarter they reported 1.82 earning, $1.82 GAAP earning, and $3 non-GAAP earning, and that was a big surprise for the Wall Street. And I think not only the shorts will cover it, I think it'll change the opinion in the Wall Street, and and Tesla will get its mojo, and a lot of long-term investors will jump into this bandwagon. They will see the opportunity, the Tesla stock will double up, and I think a lot of Wall Street will be jumping on this investing journey, I think. So as you saw, there was a good amount of coverage of Tesla earning third quarter, because they did decent earning. They beat a lot of endless expectation, and Tesla was up like 20% after the earning. So there is a good chance it might occur again. And one other thing I want to talk about is the PE ratio. All right, the current PE ratio, forward PE ratio of Tesla is 81.60, and in comparison to the all the growth stocks out there, this is nothing. I mean, there has been there is like 200 forward PE ratio, maybe 500 forward PE ratio for the growth stocks, and 81 and 60, that's pretty not that much for the growth stock like Tesla. And I want to remind you, Tesla is not just the car company; they are also energy company, and they are building the energy infrastructure all around the world. And as I make this video, all right. So compared to Amazon, you can see Amazon had a big run from back in 2016 when it was $300 stock, $400 stock to like almost $2,000 stock right now. Back then it was like trading at 191 PE ratio. Look at that, guys. So compared to this, the P ratio of Tesla is nothing. So there is good chance the Tesla stock will double up by end of this year. All right. And I wanted to bring other fourth point is about being added to the S&P 500. All right. So Tesla is not a part of S&P 500 as of right now, but since they are in target to deliver 4 sequential profitable quarters, there is a good chance Tesla will be part of S&P 500 by mid of this year. So that's also one of the additional the tailwind that Tesla is getting, and that will definitely bring more attention to the Tesla stock, and it will bring a lot of investor getting getting into this bandwagon and for the long run. And there is good chance like next 5 years the Tesla stock would be $3,000 or $4,000. So for all the Tesla fans and Tesla lungs, congratulations on this overall Tesla run. I think there is still a decent upside, so please hang on to your investment. All right. So if you have if you have any questions and comments on whatever my predictions are and whatever I mentioned in this video, please write down in the comment below. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. I'll be making more videos for you guys. All right. Until then, see ya.